Got it. I'll tighten the filters now.
Steady. We're almost there. Lift up now. Slowly. Yes, that's it. Hold it steady. 1 more inch. Got it. On 3. This chair is all set. Perfect. Looks cozy. It really does. Okay, demo starts here. Tub and these tiles first. Got it. I'll start on the grout. Good. Let's get the masks on. Ready when you are.
Hey, watch out for that loose tile. We're almost done with this side. Let's get this section cleared before we move on.
We're getting this system locked in tight. Precision matters here. Every connection counts.
Aligning the slab now. Cutting the edge. Perfect. Hold it. Done. Ready for grout. Towels are perfectly aligned. Mirror is spotless, no streaks. Everything looks perfect, ready for handover. Agreed, it's flawless.